Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
13.
13. The big 3. the big 13. The big 3. No. It's official. They are teenagers today. Teenagers. Madison. What's up, girl?
Baby now?
I know.
Baby now?
Nobody wants to play Mickey Mouse right now.
Oh, baby now?
Not right now. Later.
Oh, baby now? Oh, baby now?
I'm trying to capture the boys on their 13th birthday. Happy birthday, boys. Good morning, guys. Forgot to post last night. Well, I didn't forget. The day just kind of like got away from me. The twins' birthday was yesterday. They turned 13. And I had to do a bunch of stuff because on their birthday, we actually celebrate their birthday with them. And if we're doing a party, we'll do that separately, but we always celebrate them on their birthday. So we'll do a cake, cupcake, whatever, sing happy birthday, have them blow out the candles and stuff like that. And if we have a gift, we give it to them, or we'll wait until the day of party. So that's what we did yesterday with them. I made baked chicken in the oven for them, which is what they requested. So usually each child will tell us what they want for breakfast. So for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and because they weren't here during the day to do lunch, I just did breakfast and dinner. And so I have a lot to do today, and I'm gonna go drink my coffee. I am so tired, but it's middle of the week. Well, it's not the middle of the week. It's Thursday. Jesus, I can't talk today. Little one is, where is she? Right there. She's eating breakfast. And I'm about to go get my coffee, and I have my painting shirt on because I gotta go paint. I gotta go finish painting and finish up some projects, and then what? Oh, she doesn't know. Anyways, oh my gosh. I see you guys. You guys know when the wifey mug come out, it's time to do adults. So I'm gonna be a wifey today. Good morning, precious. Such a shoddy. You're such a shoddy. Rob been drinking my tea. I have a, don't mind that it says rice. I have a ton of tea in here, and he's been drinking my tea. Oh my gosh. Hey, my Maria done. She is a beast. You are a savage, girl. She's like, forget the spoon. Look at the counter. Oh, you're a beast, girl. Nobody can tell Maddie nothing when she gets older. Like, look at that. Oh. All right, then. You finished? You finished?
Yeah, I'm finished.
I'm finished? Okay, what do you say?
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Come on down. Okay, so it's party day. I know I skipped a few days, but I made these and this, and then his mom's bringing the cake, and I also made cheesecake. I'm gonna show you guys that, and I'm getting ready to start the curry, and hubby's making the jerk. Happy birthday to you. All right, get up, man.
Yeah, get up, honey. Stand up. All right. Who's turn? There you go.
Okay.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madison. Happy birthday to you. Jason told me to pick out his presents. The white man over there.
There you go. Good morning, guys. So, I have a whole bunch of old footage that I just wasn't prepared for Vlogmas. I was not prepared for Vlogmas. And, so I'm just going to add to the old stuff that I have, get it out of my phone because I am vlogging with my phone. I forgot to purchase the battery for my camera. And I'm not about that editing life on my desktop anymore. Because I'm spoiled. My phone uploads in 12 minutes. Even with a 25 minutes vlog. My computer, shoot, you have to export that, upload it. I'm talking about days. So, I'm just going to roll with the camera situation until I get my laptop. And right now we're just like, I don't know where we are anymore because it's crazy. It's crazy. The more money you make, the more bills accumulate and the more problems. So, we're chugging along. We're chugging along. And, but anyways, enough of that. Hubby's downstairs trying to finish up the kids' bathroom that I started months ago, didn't complete it. And, what else? I'm getting ready to clean. Madison starts school tomorrow. So anyways, welcome to Vlogmas, I guess. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, people. We gotta clean this. Is that what you're doing, Destiny, or are you playing? You're cleaning? Oh, you're the sweetest sissy.
She doesn't really need my help.
Madison? Madison? Good morning. We gotta clean. This child had a birthday party, and when I'm talking about I wasn't prepared for the amount of toys that she got, I wasn't prepared for the amount of toys that this little one got.
I don't need help.
You don't need help?
I paid it.
Okay, I'll get her out of here in a second. All right. So, thank you, and I'll come and check in a little bit.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hallway. Jordan, you get the hallway. Get all this random stuff and get the floor prepared for vacuum, and then we need to vacuum your room. Your room don't look bad, but we need to clean it. We need to get all this random stuff up off the floor because I'm getting ready to vacuum. Your room is not bad. Your room is not bad. This is what hubby's working on. So he's working on getting the shelves cut for here and stain, and then I have to paint, finish painting, and I have to paint this thing. But let me show you guys what we did. Oh, this bathroom is tiny. It's kind of hard to show. So this is the wall so far. And I have to touch these up because the screw that came with it was too tiny. So that's that. And then the rest of it. Gotta get new light fixture, faucet, and handles for that. And it's done. Let's see. Destiny's room doesn't look bad. She's my clean girl, always neat and tidy. and I love it. Everybody else is a hot mess. Look at this. Hot mess express. All right, get everything off of here, the floor, and I'm coming to vacuum. What are you doing, sir? You're helping?
Yeah, stuff before.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Holy Batman. I hate Sundays. Sundays are like, the worst. What's all this random stuff? So, now I have to... I have to put this in here, start it off. Take all that stuff out here and put it on her bed, and then all of this and stuff. So, yeah, thank you. What is that? Is that an old candy? Yeah. It's raining outside. It's such a rainy day. Such a rainy, gloomy day. Our beautiful deck that we built. Hubby took out the flowers out of here because they died. So, yeah, winter came. Okay, so this is the mess that I have to clean up down here. Not too bad, not too shabby. I put up my light. Found this at Habitat for Humanity, $15. Spray painted it, a can of spray paint for $5. Spray painted it, and I love the way it makes the space look so pretty. And okay, so I have to clear this table off, which is not a lot of stuff. And then, like I told you, I need to get the trash. Let me take it out right now. Cleaned out the car, everything landed here. I think the hubby's outside. There he is. Say good morning. It's Vlogmas. Woo! He's up in here working on the shelves.
Vlogmas.
It's Vlogmas is that time of year.
Goodness.
He's working on these shelves, so he cut them down, and I think, what are you sanding now?
Yeah, just imperfections and stuff.
Okay, so he's sanding. Where's the hook? Oh, here we
I
go.
don't know.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
So these are the hooks. Aren't they pretty, guys? Look at that. Perfect. So they're gonna sit on there like that. And then this is gonna go up against the wall, and then the little lip. So pretty! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm the brains. That's the beauty. Beauty in the brains, or the brain and beauty.
That was Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the beast. Well, I'm the beast. He's the beauty. I'm going inside. It's cold.
Yeah, I had the garage door.
Oh, you did? Oh, nah. All right. So I have the island to clear off. Get all the kids' stuff. Weekend's over. Long weekend's over. Like Thanksgiving, everybody was here.
Is there any kids down here?
No, they're all upstairs.
Okay.
Still haven't taken out the trash. So I'm gonna get working on this, and then I'm gonna come back. Look at this. So I'm gonna get working on this, cleaning this up, and then I should be done for the day. Okay, so all done, all clean, all clean, all clean.
I'm taking care of my baby.
You finish your room?
No. Why do you keep telling me? Because it's the answer. I wanna.
They turn teenagers and they're snappy now.
Hey. That second shelf up there is not for those cups.
When you put it there.
You're not snappy.
Jordan,
Yes.
it's not funny. Those second shelf up there is not for those cups. It's for those.
My mother-in-law bought me new glasses because Rob took all of our wine glasses outside and the wind knocked them over and broke them.
Why are they so fragile?
You
They're
said that
glasses. They're glass, dude.
Why are they so thin?
The what?
Why are they so thin?
Thin?
Yeah, they feel so thin.
It
and
doesn't matter if it's thin or thick, it's gonna break.
Yeah.
Mother.
Jason, you want a haircut today?
Yes.
You gonna give him a haircut?
Yes. Yes.
I don't know. It depends on him.
Give him a haircut.
Where's, oh, there goes the culprit. Where is she? Where is she?
Jordan. You might want to get back to the
Hey, you better not bring not one more piece of toy back down here. Look at this. I just cleaned this off. Why do we have to? Who bought her the same dolls?
Not me.
Like, they're not?
No.
But they're 20.
They are. Mommy. But they're
I
different
used to have
clothing.
money.
Different
Mommy.
clothing?
And different schools. Mommy.
Look at this, Lord. I can't. Does this child have on lipstick?
Mom. I found lipstick on the thing. Mom.
Look at Maddie's.
Maddie, you have on lipstick? Let me see. Maddie, let me see. You have on lipstick? Maddie, let me see it. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah.
I down there now.
Anyways, people, this is gonna be it for Vlogmas Day 1.
Look what Dad did.
And thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys
Look what Dad did.
tomorrow, because we're not doing anything right now. We're done.
Look.
We weren't ready for Vlogmas.
Well, you don't know if it's
Oh, mommy.
It is done, because I'm
Mommy.
over 18 minutes.
Mommy, you done cleaning?
Yeah, I'm done cleaning.
Yay, it's Sunday fun day again.
Sunday fun day. You know it.
Yay. Now we get
Right,
to
Rob?
have fun.
That's right.
Sunday fun day.
That's never just shit.
Rob is getting older, guys. He's so
We
much
made
calmer.
That's not.
Yeah, he is.
Daddy's not calmer.
He is.
He's calm right
Except
now.
when Jordan bothers him so many times, like dad.
Drink this.
All right. Say bye to the peeps, Rob.
Bye.
Guys, I thought I was done. I'm not done. Look at this. Who did that to your face, Rob?
Destiny.
There go the culprit. Oh my Lord, girl, you need a whole. You need lotion.
How many cups do
For what? The rice? I don't know. Try it. You know. Okay, we're gone.